Hello. Today, me and my brother have made the tallest tower that me and my brother has made. My brother is 110 centimeters and this tall tower is 5 centimeters less, that is 105 centimeters. Now, me and my brother is going to introduce you how many floors there are and what these floors are for. Ground floor or the bottom floor, you can call whichever you want. This bottom floor is the restaurant. As you can see, there's a person cooking for the people. As you can see also, there are people eating food. These people can eat fish, grilled fish, fish and chips, pizza and many more on the menu. Now, if I go up the stairs, there's a door. If we open the door, there is a meeting room. Every floor has a rubbish bin. It can be a cylinder shape or a rectangular prism. Now, if we climb up the string, there is a swimming pool. On the swimming pool, there's a banana tree for decoration. Now, also there's a rubbish bin too. We climb up again, and there's a theatre. Also, there's a tunnel. The tunnel is for you can call a plane and take off. Now, I'm going to climb up again. This place is called a mega seesaw. I call this place a mega seesaw because there are two big seesaws. These two big seesaws are special because this white seesaw can have 3 people on each end. And on this grayish brownish seesaw, it can have 2 people on each end. If I climb up here again, this is a private room for the owner of this tall tower. There's a bunk bed you can see, and this is a table where the owner and his family can eat the food from the bottom floor. Now, there's a ladder. We climb up the ladder, and then there are 2 beds for your family if there's not enough bed on the floor that we just introduced. Now, there's no ladder or stairs, so we put this up and go up. This is also private. It is only for the owner of this tall tower and for his family. This is the camera room. So if a bad person comes and steals something, this camera can see what he stole and what he did. Now, if we go up to the very top floor, you can see a lady looking out. This is called the lookout place. This lookout, you can see lots of beach, harbour, and cities and many more. Now, on this top floor, there is 2 antennas that connect Wi-Fi to this tall tower. On this middle place, if you want some helicopter to land you off here, you can get a helicopter to ask landing here. Then you can go to the restaurant, to the swimming pool, mega seesaw, and many more. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Thank you.